Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can download Dayforce app on your Android device within 2 minutes, alright? So it's going to be a short video, but I'm going to get straight to the point. So basically follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want the step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. So first step, you need to have access to your internet connection, otherwise you can't download it. So make sure your internet connection is stable, because if it is slow, then it also is not going to download. So make sure it's running in more than 5 MB per second. If that's the case, then you're good to go. Open Play Store. Once you open Play Store over here and search at the top, you want to write Dayforce. After you search for Dayforce app, it's going to show up just like this. This is the logo of Dayforce app, alright? So just click on install. Once you click on install, if your internet connection is strong enough to download the app, your app will start to download. And after the download is complete, there's going to be an open button over here. You can just click on that button and the Dayforce app will open up, alright? So yeah. That's basically how you guys can download and use Dayforce app on your Android device. So that's basically how you guys can do it under 2 minutes. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one to step. I'll see you guys next time. And as you guys can see, my app just started to download and it has completed downloading real quickly. All right, it's that simple. So if your internet is fast, it'll be done quickly. All right, so yeah, stay safe. See you guys next time.